Welcome you to the channel. In this video review, we will consider EDC coin trading, deposit and withdrawal of coins on the IDAX Exchange. Why particular IDAX Exchange? IDAX Exchange allows you to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card. IDAX Exchange support two trading interfaces. Basic view for beginners, advanced view for professional traders. Many trading paths traded. You can trade cryptocurrencies using mobile devices with Android and iOS operating systems. You can download the application by scanning the QR code on the exchange website. It is possible to select the order type, a simple mechanism for conducting the trade. High liquidity is provided by a large trading volume. There is no commission when making deposits. IDX Exchange supports high security by means of confirmation of operation via SMS, Google Authenticator, or withdrawal email authentication. To register on the exchange IDAX, in the upper right corner, click Sign Up. Enter your email address, password confirmation. If you have an invitation code, you can enter it. Agree to the terms. Click Create My Account. You will receive an email with a confirmation code to activate your account. Enter it in the email verification window. Choose one of the authentication methods for your account. This is Google or SMS authentication. The future authentication will be used to log in to your account. To use SMS authentication, select it, click Next. Enter the phone number and press Send code. Enter the received code and click Enable SMS authentication. To use Google Authentication, select it and click Next. Install the app Google Authentication from Google Play on your mobile device. Click Next. Open the Google Authentication app and scan the QR code. Enter the password and the code obtained in the application Google Authentication. Click Enable Google Authentication. After Google Authentication is successful, a window will appear indicating that the authentication was successful. Close it by clicking Close. IDAX Exchange has three levels of verification. They differ in a maximum withdrawal amounts. To verify your identity, go to Settings. Select the withdrawal limit, Section 1. Click Verify ID to enable. Select a country from the list. Enter the name, surname, passport number. Agree to the terms. Click Next. Upload a scan or photo your passport or driver's license. Click Next. Take a picture of yourself. In one hand hold a driver's license or an open passport with your data. In the other hand hold the paper with the inscription IDAX and the current date. The photo should be clearly distinguishable data documents. Upload this photo and click Confirm. The process of passing the identification will take some time. After successfully passing the verification, you can replenish your balance in Bitcoin, which you will use to buy EDC coins. On the IDAX exchange, the EDC coin is traded in the EDC Bitcoin pair. To replenish the balance, go to the deposit section. Select Bitcoin and click Load Deposit Address. Transfer Bitcoin to this address to replenish your Bitcoin balance on the IDX exchange. For trading, use the basic view for novice traders, advanced view for professional traders. The advantage of advanced view is the demonstration of interactive chart with support for indicators. After a successful deposit, go to the section Spot, Trading and Basic View. In the search box, enter the EDC coin and go to the trading pair EDC Bitcoin. Traders can use types of orders, limit and market. Limit order allows you to determine the value of the cryptocurrency. If the rate reaches this price, the order will be executed. The market order carries out the transaction at the rate at the time of opening. If the order specifies the number of coins, the price will be determined automatically. Click Buy for buy orders or sell orders. Market orders are executed instantly. In the My Open Orders section, you can view or cancel open orders. The My Traders section contains completed orders. If you want to buy EDC coin quickly, choose Limit Price. Choose a sell order with the lowest price. Enter the amount of EDC coins to buy at this price. You can enter the amount of Bitcoin and you will see how many EDC coins you can buy. You can also buy EDC coins from your Bitcoin balance by selecting 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your balance Bitcoin. Next, click Buy. Coins will instantly appear on your balance. If you want to buy an EDC coin at a lowest price, choose the EDC value and the number of EDC coins. Next, click Buy. You will have to wait a while for the EDC coins to be sold to you. On the exchange IDAX has a chat where you can ask questions. After buying EDC coins, they can be withdrawn. Click the Balance tab, click Withdraw. You cannot withdraw cryptocurrencies from the exchange if SMS or Google Authenticator is not connected. In the search box, select the EDC coin of the EDC blockchain platform. Click on Add New Address. Enter the withdrawal address memo label. In the withdrawal address window, select the withdrawal address or enter it. Enter memo, the amount of coins EDC. Click Submit. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the code from the Google Authentication or SMS. Confirm the withdrawal by email. Detailed information about EDC on the EDC blockchain platform can be obtained on the website. Thanks for attention.